Tonight, you have the opportunity to embark on a journey to discover one of these special formulas of the universe. This is not just a technique, it's a key, a door to a life full of peace and abundance that you've always dreamed of. As you listen to each word, each story, as if under the quiet moonlight, let every word be a guiding light, opening a deep connection with the hidden power of the universe. Start by closing your eyes, letting your mind and body slowly relax. Take a deep breath, feeling the cool air fill your lungs. Then exhale gently, letting all tension dissolve with each breath. Allow yourself to drift into a state of peace, free of all worries, with only your presence in this moment. Now, imagine before you a vast night sky full of stars. Each shimmering star symbolizes endless possibilities, countless opportunities waiting for you. Under this boundless sky, there are no limits. Only you and the universe with all its unfolding potential. The stars are not just points of light. They are connections, invisible threads woven into a powerful energy network that surrounds the universe. Feel this network. Feel the flow of energy within each star, within every connecting thread. It is the energy of life, of the things you've dreamed of, and the opportunities already existing, waiting for you to step in and claim them. This is the moment to become part of this flow as you begin to visualize the things you desire. Imagine your desires as golden threads shining brightly, woven into the network of the universe. As you focus on them, these threads grow more radiant, spreading and intensifying. Let your energy merge with the universe, inviting it to respond with appreciation and readiness. In this very moment, you'll realize that you've touched an infinite potential where all your desires are already beginning to come to life. Now, let gratitude fill your heart. Be grateful for the presence of these desires, for the abundance and completeness you are already experiencing. This gratitude is the strongest energy, connecting you to the universe, helping to bring your desires into reality more quickly. Let yourself be immersed in gratitude, like a steady flame that fuels everything you have achieved and will achieve. Letting the universe know that you are ready to receive with open arms. Now that you've visualized your desires clearly and soaked yourself in gratitude, take this crucial step. Let go. Let all worry and tension melt away. Trust that the universe will work in its perfect way to bring what you desire to you. Take this crucial step. Let go. Let all worry and tension melt away. Trust that the universe will work in its perfect way to bring what you desire to you. Releasing doesn't mean giving up on what you want. It means allowing the universe the freedom to fulfill it naturally and fittingly. Imagine that your desires have now become glowing, golden balloons, radiating with energy. Gently release these balloons into the vast space of the universe, allowing them to blend with the energy flow, connected to everything that exists. Watch them slowly drift higher, fading into the wide universe. Each balloon carries your desire, and you know that the universe has received them, ready to respond when the timing is right. When you release, you also create a deep trust in the process. You no longer need to control every detail. Simply trust that everything will unfold perfectly. Allow your mind to feel light, filled with peace. Now, let yourself sink into a state of deep relaxation. Breathe gently, feeling each breath bring you peace and serenity. Allow your mind and body to drift into sleep, knowing that the universe continues to fulfill your desires while you rest. Let go of all thoughts, leaving only a feeling of calm and trust. You have planted the seeds of your desires, and now it's time to let the universe do its part, bringing them to your life naturally and completely.